Welcome back. Have you ever wondered about the benefits of Moringa products? What does it do to your health? Is it suitable for everyone? Does it have side effects? How to use it? What are addressed by the disease? All these details you will see. Stay with us. Natural herbs are magic. Using them scientifically and under supervision makes them very effective, and there is a plant called Moringa that blooms and grows in many places around the world, and in Sinai, Egypt as well. This charming plant has strong effects. It contains a very high and sufficient percentage of vitamins and minerals, perhaps the most important of which are vitamin C, as well as vitamin E and vitamin D, and it is rich in important elements for body health and sexual health as well, such as potassium, iron and calcium. This plant, which is called Moringa, from which they extract a healthy and effective oil, and this oil contains omega with its 3 types 3, 6 and 9, and what has been confirmed by new research in the field of sexual health in the world, that this plant is effective and powerful in treating some of the symptoms of sexual diseases that he suffers. Men in particular, as well as stimulation and strengthening, it improves the state of impotence, strengthens the erection, and has the effect of magic in improving sexual performance. Studies have not stopped at this point, but scientists have confirmed that it helps to enhance sperm levels and increase their number, so this plant increases sexual desire and arousal rates greatly, and the best way to use the plant is to boil it and filter it completely to become a morning drink at a dose determined by the doctor, but if the same plant oil was placed on a quarter cup of water, and the seeds were brought to a boil. It is noteworthy that this plant, which can only be used under medical supervision, contains 92 complete vitamins, 46 elements of natural antioxidants that delay aging, and also rich in important vitamin D, which is famous for the poverty of bodies from it, which is involved in the manufacture and action of the well-known male hormone testosterone. Moringa is also called Moringa radish tree, and it is a small tree located in tropical Asia but also naturalized in Africa and tropical America, where flowers, pods, leaves and even twigs are cooked, which can also be eaten raw when they are young, as a spice flavored with moringa is prepared from its crushed roots. The oil extracted from the seeds is used by watchmakers and cosmetics. Moringa has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties and health benefits, and it has antifungal, antiviral, antidepressant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa contains a variety of proteins, vitamins and minerals, and moringa has few known side effects, so people who take medications should consult the doctor before consuming moringa extract. He believes that moringa has many benefits as it was used in relation to health. This is to help treat diseases as well as prevent them. The benefits of moringa include protecting and nourishing the skin and hair, preventing cancer, protecting the liver, and combating bacterial diseases. Does moringa have benefits for sex? Moringa is an important food source in some parts of the world. Because it can be grown cheaply and easily, moringa is used in India and Africa in nutrition programs, to combat malnutrition, while unripe green pods are prepared similarly to green beans, while the seeds are removed from the more ripe pods and are cooked like peas or roasted like nuts, and the leaves are cooked and used like spinach, and they are dried for use as a spice, and moringa has a curative effect. Regarding sexual health, by relieving erectile dysfunction, improving fertility and enhancing sexual performance. Does moringa help relieve erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction is the inability to have or maintain an erection adequately, which impedes the practice of sex, and often erectile dysfunction occurs due to a problem in blood supply, and this problem may usually result from high blood pressure or an increase in the level of fats in the blood, and this may occur due to the presence of certain conditions such as diabetes, and moringa leaves contain useful plant compounds called polyphenols that may enhance blood flow by increasing nitric oxide production and lowering blood pressure. However, so far no study has been done on this topic in humans. Therefore, it is still not known if the beneficial effects of moringa on ED in animals translate into humans. Among the results of these studies are the following. The extract from the leaves and seeds of the plant inhibits key enzymes associated with erectile dysfunction, which increase blood pressure and reduce nitric oxide production. Moringa seed extract has a role in relaxing the muscles of the rat penis. This facilitates blood flow to the penis. Moringa extract positively affects the sexual activity of diabetic mice. The antioxidant properties and inhibitory effects of the angiotensin-converting enzyme and the arginase of the extract indicate that this plant has therapeutic potential in the management of erectile dysfunction. Does moringa have a role in enhancing sexual performance? Sexual stimulants are required to improve male sexual function under stressful conditions, due to the effects of oxidative stress and dopamine on male sexual function. Moringa oleifera leaves improve male sexual dysfunction caused by stress, so the effects on various factors that play important roles in sexual behavior for males, such as antioxidant effects, suppression of monoamine and phosphodiesterase type 5 activities, testosterone levels in the blood, and histological changes in the testes. There are a number of studies conducted in animals, as studies conducted in humans are necessary to determine the effects of moringa on prostate health or lower testosterone in men, where the following studies showed. Moringa plant reduced testosterone levels in treated mice, while in humans low levels of testosterone could reduce sexual drive and erectile function. The testosterone-lowering effect can also interfere with the effectiveness of testosterone replacement therapy in men with low testosterone. The aqueous ethanolic extract of moringa leaves was studied, and different doses of the extract were administered orally to male mice before exposure to the fixation pressure for 12 hours for 7 days, and the results showed that the extract showed the presence of inhibitory activity of antioxidants and monoamine type B, and in 7 days of treatment the low dose of the extract improved sexual performance in the stress-prone mice, by reducing entry time and increasing its frequency. It inhibits PDE5 activity and reduces the level of corticosterone in the blood, but increases testosterone in the blood, the number of interstitial cells and sperm. The presence of the antioxidant effect of the extract, and the increased sexual performance during the introduction stage may be due to the suppression of MAO-B and PDE5 activities and the increase in testosterone. Therefore, moringa is an aphrodisiac. Does moringa have an antioxidant property? Antioxidants play an important role in inhibiting and removing free radicals, thus providing protection for humans from infections and diseases, as natural antioxidants that originate from plants have been studied due to safe treatments, and moringa is used in traditional medicine for a wide range of different diseases, as its antioxidant properties have been tested. Moringa leaf extracts in 2 stages of maturation using standard forms in the laboratory, where the successive aqueous extract of moringa showed strong cleaning effect on free radicals, nitric oxide radicals and lipid inhibition in oxidation, as the effect of free radical scavenging of moringa leaf extract was similar to that of reference antioxidants. The data obtained indicate that the extracts of moringa for both mature leaves have strong antioxidant activity against free radicals, prevent oxidative damage to key biomolecules and provide great protection against oxidation. Studies in mice have shown that the antioxidant properties of moringa leaf powder help increase sperm count in cases of induced undescended testicles. Does moringa affect the semen? It is estimated that about 40% of infertility problems are caused by men, as it is mainly problems with the production and movement of sperms are among the most common causes, and moringa leaves and seeds are excellent sources of antioxidants that may help combat the oxidative damage that can they interfere with the production of sperm or damage the DNA of sperm, and there are a number of studies conducted on animals, as there are no human studies on the effects of moringa on sex. Among the results of these studies that indicate the effect of moringa on the semen is the following. Studies on rabbits showed that the leaf powder from this plant led to a significant improvement in semen volume, as well as sperm count and motility. Studies in mice and rabbits have shown that moringa leaf extract has the ability to prevent sperm loss. Due to chemotherapy, excessive heat, or electromagnetic radiation from cell phones. The treatment in female rabbits showed a dose-dependent decrease in the concentration of hormones, FSH, LH and estrogen, while the high dose of leaf powder led to an increase in the concentration of progesterone, and the survival of prolactin unaffected, as well as the study showed improvement in the volume of semen, the number of sperm and their motility in a strong way. Marked. While these results are promising, human studies are needed before conclusions can be made about the effectiveness of moringa in improving male fertility. What are the side effects of moringa? Few human studies have tested the health benefits of moringa, but in those studies moringa was well tolerated without any risks reported. It has been used for centuries as a food and medicine without any reported harmful effects, and since moringa may lower blood sugar and blood pressure, moringa should not be mixed with medicines to treat diabetes or blood pressure, and before taking any kind of nutritional supplement to prevent or treat a medical condition, you should speak with your doctor, and since it is completely natural and free of chemical additives, it appears to be well tolerated when taken by mouth or used on the skin, but side effects of moringa are still possible and may include reduction of blood pressure, slowed heart rate, uterine contractions, cell mutations when consuming large amounts of seeds, interference with fertility. For centuries, the fruit, oil, seeds, as well as the leaves from the moringa tree have been used safely, but now there are many forms of nutritional supplements that are sold, so it is advised to buy the purest varieties and read the information on the ingredient label carefully. On the other hand, it is recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding to avoid use of moringa, its roots, or high doses of other nutritional supplements. This is because there is insufficient research to prove the extent of safety, as chemicals present in any part of moringa can cause uterine contractions, which may lead to complications during pregnancy. What are the dangers of using moringa? Moringa is considered safe in most cases when the leaves, fruits and seeds are eaten as an oral food as a medicine in the short term. Products containing moringa leaves have been used safely for 6 months, as well as using materials containing moringa plant seeds safely for 3 weeks, and in general eating oral moringa root extract is possibly unsafe. This is due to the fact that it contains the toxic substance spirochine. Therefore, special precautions and warnings must be taken in some cases as follows. Diabetes. Moringa may lower blood sugar levels in diabetics, so the signs of low blood sugar should be carefully monitored in the event of diabetes and the use of moringa. Low blood pressure. Moringa might lower blood pressure, as there is concern that it might cause blood pressure to drop too low, causing fainting and other symptoms in people who already have low blood pressure. Hypothyroidism. There is concern that using moringa might make this condition worse. What are the benefits of moringa for sex? The vitamins in moringa help increase men's sexual energy. Helps to strengthen erections in men. Eating boiled moringa increases sperm count. It increases the level of estrogen in women, which increases their sexual desire. The benefits of moringa for hormones. Moringa tea helps adjust hormones in women, which increases women's sexual desire. Increases female fertility by adjusting hormones. It helps improve blood circulation, which stimulates the extremities and stimulates hormones. Benefits of Moringa for the eye. Taking Moringa helps treat high eye pressure and pressure in general. Helps to strengthen vision and greatly improve its weakness. It contains a large percentage of iron that the body and eyes also need. Moringa produces chemicals needed to transmit nerve signals very quickly, which is also reflected in vision. Benefits of Moringa for the joints. Moringa stimulates blood circulation, which helps facilitate joint movement. Through their secretion of lysine, they help stimulate the body to utilize calcium faster. Helps in cases of joint roughness. Leave your experiences with Moringa with comments.